Diabetes and endocrine complications are a global challenge. More urgent now than ever, it affects millions, challenges healthcare systems, and demands innovation. 2025 marks a milestone year, the 15th edition of the Emirates Diabetes and Endocrine Congress. The society has grown over the years from being a national congress to regional congress, embarking on many milestones over the years. Just as the UAE reaches new heights, EDES continues to pioneer a future of health and innovation. Since its inception in 2010, EDEC has grown into one of the largest gatherings on diabetes and endocrinology, welcoming over 5,000 participants from across the world. It is a driving force in transforming patient care. Diabetes and endocrine complications does not affect all nations equally. Low-income countries struggle with limited healthcare infrastructure, lack of affordable treatments, and an increasing number of undiagnosed cases. With the UAE's leadership in medical innovation, we recognize our responsibility to support these communities. Strengthening the family unit. The heart of a strong society is its families. EDES is committed to empowering individuals through education, preventative care, and community-driven initiatives, ensuring future generations thrive. Promoting Emirati identity. Health is rooted by heritage. By embracing Emirati values, we blend tradition with innovation, building a stronger, healthier nation. Driving advances in AI and precision medicine. The future of healthcare is here. Artificial intelligence, robotics, and smart monitoring devices are revolutionizing early detection, personalized treatments, and empowering healthcare systems to lead globally. Through cutting-edge research and innovation, EDES is shaping the next era of diabetes and endocrine care. The UAE stands as a beacon of possibility, where vision meets progress. EDEC continues to be a platform for knowledge exchange, collaboration, and transformative innovation. As we celebrate 15 years of impact, we invite every Emirati, every family, and every partner to join us in building a healthier, more innovative future. But beyond innovation, beyond research, at the heart of it all are people. Patients, the most vulnerable among us, like children battling diabetes, deserve a future where healthcare knows no limits. Our mission is clear: to empower, to innovate, and to ensure a healthier future for all. Together for a healthier UAE and a healthier world.